Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to a beautiful song here from Dermot. It's called Lessons. So we had Dermot here before, and yeah, nice, great artist there, nice song here as well. So let's take a look at the lessons. So we have basically three different chords here, the A minor, G, and F. And we're gonna take a look at this chords here. High up here with the bar, and that is because it's played higher in the intro of the song, the first 3-4 chord progression rounds, and then it's basically down here at the standard A minor G F area. So let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo here, and we're gonna use the bar finger here to highlight the intro of this song. So the grips and chords, we're gonna go over this intro first, and then I'm going to show you the chords that are the main chords for the later part of the song. So the A minor first, we have this little pinky down here. It should be glued to the 8th fret E string. Okay, so you have that with you, and then we're gonna start with A minor first. You use a bar here, index finger on the 4th fret, and you bar from the D string and down. So that means 4 strings. If you count from E, B, G, and the D string, 4 strings like that, you bar that. You have still this little pinky glued to the 8th fret E string, and then you add your ring finger or your middle finger here on the 7th fret D string. All right. So this will be the first grip for A minor. Right, so that will be basically, if we go and string by string, that will be 7th on D string, and 5th on G, 5th on B, and 8th on E. The next chord, the G, what you do here from this grip, the only thing you need to adjust is your ring finger or the finger you use here on the D string. You go from the 7th fret D string and add that finger, you release that and add it to the 7th fret G string. So that is the reason why you have this index finger barred here in the background from this A minor. You have it barred in the D string as well, because you will need that now for the next chord, the G, to hit that. Oh, that will be basically string by string, 5th on D, and now 7th on G. And then still 5th B, and still 8th E. That will be the G. And then we have the last F chord here. So you release the bar and everything and go over to this position. You keep the little pinky still there, and now you need to add 8 on A string, then 7th on D, then open G, and 8th on B, and 8th on E still. So that will be the chord progression here for the intro. So A minor, G, and F. All right, so we have the chords down there. We're gonna look at this main part as well. So now we're gonna go over to the A minor G F, this position. We're gonna use the A minor 7. So that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, and 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be the G, and what you do here, you keep that 1st fret B string throughout this chord progression over at this position. Now you go over to this 3rd fret E string. Everything else is open besides from the 1st fret B string. And then we had a final F here. You're gonna play that with 3rd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's an F sus chord. All right, so we have all the chords and grips now. Let's take a look at the strumming. So we go back here to this intro part here, in the beginning. So the A minor and G is played with the same strumming. It goes down, down, up. So. Okay, so down, down, up. I play the first down more on the bass strings, and then I play the down and up more on the mid or higher notes down here. All right, so that's A minor, and I play the same for G. So the rhythm here for these two chords, this first two chords will be all right. So with that, A minor and G, it will be, and then you go to the F and play the same here to begin with, down, down, up. So, but then you add down, down, up. So the F will be down, down, up, down, down, up. So. So the first part is the same as A minor and G, so down, down, up, and then the fast down, down, up. And then back again to A minor and so on. So that is one round. Slowly it goes like this. So that is the intro part. I believe it's 4 rounds perhaps in the chord progression rounds. And then you go over to this main part over here. So a little bit easier here when it comes to the grips. So you're gonna add the same type of a playing here, the same strumming, but you now use the A minor, the G, and the F. So it will be. And it's important here that you play like I do when I play the first down on the bass. So you play bass first to really highlight the bass that changes here throughout the chord. So. So on. All right, and then you can just add if you want, and that's the power of this chord, the F, last F sus chord, is that you can use fingers around here to hit certain notes. So I play my little pinky there, and I hit the 3rd fret B string and go back to 1st B. You're holding here with the index finger. So when I come to F, I play down, down, up, and then on the down, down, up later, I add this 3rd fret B string. It sounds like this. All right, so. Also play like open B, 1st B, and back to open B. So you have the choices here to play and add different notes to it, and that gives color to this strumming here. And that pretty much covers Dermot Kennedy's lessons. All right, so 3 chords. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Appreciate all your feedback here. So thank you, and play tuned.